Hi friends, are you an American or British? Let us find out. How do you pronounce this word? Do you say it as garage or garage? Garage or garage? And what about this word? Do you say it as advertisement or advertisement? Number three, is it brochure or brochure? Brochure or brochure? How do you say this word? Is it vitamin or vitamin? Is it vitamin or vitamin? Do you say it as vitamin or vitamin? And this word, is it aluminium or aluminum? There is a little bit difference in spelling too. In British it is M-I-N-A-U-M. Whereas Americans say it as M-I-N-U-M. Though the Americans speak both, generally Americans speak it as M-I-N-U-M. Aluminium and aluminum. Aluminium and aluminum. Thank you.